Have you ever had someone insult you, criticize your work, or try to make you lose control just to feel powerful? Most people react. They shout, they argue, they let emotion lead. But what if you could reach a point where no insult, no opinion, and no disrespect could ever disturb your peace again? A point where you are calm, unshaken. Let it in. When someone disrespects you, they are showing their weakness, not your worth. Their words are smoke. You decide whether that smoke enters your lungs or drifts away. The next time someone mocks you, breathe and say to yourself, "This is their storm, not mine." That single realization takes away their power instantly. You choose peace, not reaction. When others lose control, you stay still. When they scream, you stay silent. And when they fall apart, you control only what's mine, my words, my tone, my peace. That is the voice of command, and that voice must never rise in chaos. Emotion makes you predictable. Discipline makes you powerful. Think of a general in battle. If he panics, his army collapses. But if he remains steady, every soldier follows. Your mind is your army. Your calm is its banner. Marcus Aurelius began each morning reminding himself, "Today, I will meet people who are rude, arrogant, selfish, and ungrateful." He didn't say it with bitterness. He said it with readiness. That is negative visualization, the art of expecting challenge before it arrives. If you expect the storm, it cannot surprise you. If you expect insult, it cannot wound you. Each morning, remind yourself, someone will test my peace today, and I will not fail the test. Because a commander, it's forged in pressure. So train daily. Reflect each night. Ask yourself, what disturbed me today? What could I have released? Each reflection sharpens your awareness. Each failure strengthens your armor. Slowly, your mind becomes steel, flexible under heat, but unbreakable under pressure. Seneca said, "No man is more powerful than he who has conquered himself." That is the final command. When you wake, prepare your mind. During the day, protect your peace. At night, review your choices. Preparation, protection, reflection. The triad of mastery. Do it daily until calm becomes your nature, not your goal. And then you'll notice something changing. You'll stop needing validation. You'll stop chasing arguments. You'll stop explaining your peace to those who cannot understand it. You'll walk slower, speak softer, but every word will strike harder. You'll become the one who doesn't react to life. You respond to it. You decide your tone. You decide your rhythm. You decide your energy. That is how you become untouchable. Remember these principles. See insults as reflections, not attacks. Control only what's yours.
expect the storm before it comes. Master the power of indifference and train daily. For the next 7 days, no matter what anyone says or does, remain calm. Don't fight the storm.